Welcome back to SolidCAM Pro. In this exercise we are going to create this model Mania and Inventor. As we see here, we have the mass, area, volume, and all dimensions are in millimeter. Material stainless steel, and here we have the front view, and here the section B view, which have been taken from the center of this part in this direction. You can see this arrow. And here we have the section A view, which have been taken from the center of this part. You can see the direction, this one. And we have the thickness of this one. We have 22 millimeter. Total height we have 62 millimeter, and the inner diameter 50 millimeter, the outer diameter 60 millimeter, and we have this corner 12 millimeter radius, and this 4 hole diameter 14 millimeter, and we have this radius 80 millimeter. So let's create this one first. Select new sketch, draw a circle, draw another circle, give a dimension 60 millimeter and 50 millimeter. Draw another 2 circle, draw a line from the center to the center, draw another line, draw a third line, horizontal. Now convert these lines to construction line. Draw another 2 circle, give a dimension 24 millimeter, 14 millimeter, and the distance from here, from center to the center, 40 millimeter, and the same for this one, 40 millimeter. Let's give an angle here 45 degree, and for this one 90 degree. Select equal commands, this one equal to this one, this one equal to this one. Let's delete this one. Select equal command, this equal to this. There is something wrong. Select this one equal to this one. Yeah, it's okay. Now select arc command, join this circle and this circle. Dimension 80 millimeter, radius, and select this one, select this point and this point. Select tangent command, and the same for this one. Now select circular pattern, select this, and select the axis 4 number. Okay, let's check the dimension from the center to the center, 40 millimeter. Perfect, it's okay. Now finish sketch. Select extrude command, select this profile, thickness 22 millimeter. For this profile 62 millimeter. You see here 22 millimeter, 62 millimeter for this one. And now we are going to create a shell with the thickness of 6 millimeter. You see here. Select shell command and select the surface. Give a thickness of 6 millimeter. Okay. Next step, we are going to create this part here, and we have the dimensions here. From the center to the center 36 millimeter, and from the top line to the center 20 millimeter. Radius 12 millimeter. This angle 30 degree. So let's select new plane, mid plane, new sketch. Select project geometry. Select this edge. Draw a line from here to here. Select arc command. Tangent. And this must be joint. Perfect. Now give a dimension 12 millimeter, and let's adjust this size manually first. Now select vertical constraint, select this point and this point. Give a dimension from the center to the center 36 millimeter, and the height from here to the top 20 millimeter. This and this angle 30 degree. Now we are going to close this profile. Now our sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Extrude. Select this symmetric 36 millimeter. Okay, you can see this thickness we have here 36 millimeter. Next step, we are going to create this cutout, this gap 3 millimeter. Select this surface, new sketch, draw a rectangle, give a dimension 3, and now select horizontal constraint. Select this midpoint to the center. Now we can draw this one like this, and now finish sketch. Select extrude cut and select up surface. You can select this surface or you can select through all, it's up to you. Perfect. Now the next step is to create hole here, and here we have from the center in this direction we have this hole with the counter bore, and from the center in this direction we have the top hole, which is M8 1.25, the dips 16.50 millimeter. So let's create this one first. Select hole command. Just we have this one 15 millimeter diameter counter bore, dips 6 millimeter, and here we have the diameter, hole diameter 9, and here we can define the dips 16.50 millimeter. And now select this surface and select this edge. Perfect. Okay. Next step, we are going to create this top hole, and now we are going to select top and this one normal, and select isometric profile, select 8. We have M8 times 1.25 6H, you can see here. Now insert the dips 16.50 millimeter, and now select this surface and select this edge, and here you can define 16.50 millimeter. Perfect. Now we have created top hole, and here we have created this hole with the counter bore. Next step, we are going to apply chamfer on this edge. So let's look on the drawing. We have this 0.5 times 45 degree, and the same for this one and this one. So select chamfer, and no, select chamfer, select this and this, give a dimension 0.5 like this. Okay. The next, we have this hole, which is this one. We have the chamfer 1 millimeter. So select, give a dimension 1, select this hole, this hole, this hole, and this hole, apply. Next, we have this one, we have this chamfer here, you can see here 0.5 millimeter. So let's apply chamfer on this 0.5. Select this one and select this one, apply. So next we are going to apply fillet. The fillet, you can see here, this round here, 2 millimeter fillet round, and even for this one 2 millimeter. So close this one, select fillet 2 millimeter, select this line, and before that let's select fillet, select this, like this one, two millimeter, like this one, and even from this side we have 2 millimeter fillet. You can see here in the drawing, 2 millimeter fillet all these corners. So let's give this one, and select this circle. Okay. Perfect. Now let's select assign material, stainless steel. And here we can assign appearance. Steel polish. Select the entire body like this one, or you can select one by one. First, I'm going to select this color here. Let's select this color, select this hole, this hole, and let's select apply. Like this chamfer, and the same here, like this one. Now our model is finished. For more video and more project in Inventor, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.